Jummah Prayer. The day of Jummah is Eid of the week for Muslims. And there are many acts in this day that are Sunnah. And the Sunnah for Friday prayer is: dress nicely, wear perfume, clean clothes, and went to mosque quickly. Upon reaching the mosque, pray 2 prayers of entering the mosque. And Jummah prayer is prayed in congregation with the sermon. Now after prayer the entering of mosque prayer. In the meantime, read Surah Al-Kahf, any remembrance or salutation upon Prophet. And increase salutation upon Prophet in this day. And now when Imam start the sermon, one has to look at Imam and sit quietly. And when he start the prayer, it is sunnah to recite Surah Al-Alaq in first rakat and Surah Al-Ghashiyah in second rakat. And the people in the back just need to recite Surah Al-Fatiha, and the rest will Imam lead. And after completing the prayer, there are for sunnah in the mosque or can pray 2 sunnah at home. If you want to pray for sunnah in the mosque, so you have to change your place and little talk to someone. Or you can just come home and pray 2 sunnah. And like this the Jumu'ah prayer is completed.